Hello and welcome to Golden Lucy Crafts. In this video I will show you how to crochet an ocean foam square. The written instructions are also available on my blog goldenlucycrafts.com. You can find the link in the description to this video. I am using medium weight number 4 yarn, color A cream, color B aqua, and a size J crochet hook. Please refer to the slide for the full list of materials. With color A, make a magic ring. Round 1. Chain 3, count as first double crochet. Now make 11 double crochet stitches into the ring. Tighten the ring. To do that, first untwist the yarn tail and then pull this tail to close up the ring. Join with a slip stitch to top of chain 3 at the beginning. You should have a total of 12 double crochet. Fasten off by cutting the yarn and pulling it through. Round 2. Join color B with standing half double crochet in last stitch made. How to make a standing half double crochet? Start with a slip knot, yarn over, holding loop on your hook with your finger, insert hook in a stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and draw through 3 loops on hook. Your standing half double crochet is complete. Make half double crochet in same stitch. Now make 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. I'm crocheting over the yarn end from previous round. By crocheting over the yarn ends as you go, you will reduce the number of ends to weave in. Join with a slip stitch to top of first half double crochet. You should have a total of 24 half double crochet stitches. Fasten off by cutting the yarn and pulling it through. Round 3. This round we will work in front loops only. Join color A with a slip stitch in front loop of last stitch made. To join with a slip stitch, make a slip knot and take it off the hook. Insert hook in front loop of last stitch of previous round. Place a slip knot on the hook again. Draw the slip knot through the stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch in next stitch. Make sure you are working in front loop, and also don't forget to crochet over the yarn end. Chain 1, slip stitch in next stitch. Keep repeating those steps around. Chain 1 and slip stitch in next stitch. At the end of the round, join with a slip stitch to same place where you join color A. Fasten off by cutting the yarn and pulling it through. Round 4. This round we will work in back loops only. Join color A with a standing double crochet in back loop of any stitch of round 2. How to make a standing double crochet? Start with a slip knot, yarn over, holding loop on hook with your finger, insert hook in back loop of any stitch of round 2. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops on hook twice. Your standing double crochet is complete. Tilt the piece toward you. Double crochet in stitch to the right of the one just made. Now double crochet in next stitch. Tilt the piece toward you and double crochet in stitch to the right of the one just made. You will have 2 individual double crochet in one stitch. Now keep repeating the steps to the end of the round. Double crochet in next stitch, tilt the piece toward you, and double crochet in stitch to the right of the one just made. To finish the round, double crochet in next stitch, same stitch where first stitch of the round was made. Tilt the piece toward you and double crochet in stitch to the right. Join with a slip stitch to back loop of first double crochet. You should have a total of 48 double crochet. Fasten off by cutting the yarn and pulling it through. Round 5. This round we will work in back loops only. Join color B with standing single crochet in back loop of last stitch made. How to make a standing single crochet? Start with a slip knot. Holding loop on hook with your finger, insert hook in back loop of last stitch of previous round. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops on your hook. Your standing single crochet is complete. Single crochet in next stitch and single crochet in each stitch around. At the end of the round, join with a slip stitch to first single crochet. You should have a total of 48 single crochet stitches. Fasten off by cutting the yarn and pulling it through. Round 6. Join color A with a slip stitch in last stitch of previous round. How to join with a slip stitch? Make a slip knot and take it off the hook. Insert the hook into the last stitch of previous round and then place a slip knot on the hook. Draw the slip knot through the stitch. Chain 2. This makes chain 2 space. Make puff in same stitch. How to make a puff stitch? Yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Repeat these steps 2 more times. Yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. And last time, yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through all 7 loops on hook. Chain 1 to close the puff stitch. Skip next 2 stitches and slip stitch in next. Keep repeating these steps around. Chain 2, puff stitch in same stitch, skip next 2 stitches and slip stitch in next. At the end of the round, work last slip stitch into same stitch where first puff was made. You should have made total of 16 puffs. Round 7. Chain 2 counts as single crochet and chain 1 space. Single crochet in first chain 2 space of previous round. Chain 1. Single crochet in slip stitch between puffs. Chain 1. Single crochet in chain 2 space. Chain 1. Keep repeating these steps around. Single crochet in slip stitch between puffs. Chain 1. Single crochet in chain 2 space. Chain 1. At the end, join with a slip stitch to first chain of chain 2 at the beginning. You should have made a total of 32 chain 1 spaces. Fasten off by cutting the yarn and pulling it through. The instructions for the rounds from 8 to 14 will continue in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.